Alright, gentlemen, I want you to repeat after me, just how I do it. Ready? Rock da 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 da. Your turn. Another good time. Da 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 da.
Once upon a time, there was a little black girl in the Brewster Projects of Detroit, Michigan. At 15, she was spotted by an Ebony Fashion Fair talent scout, and her modeling career took off.
You better work.
Gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?